At Jooj Neuromuscular, our focus is simple. We help identify and target the root causes of chronic pain, not just where it hurts, but why it hurts. Many people tried other things like medicine, physical therapy, or pain clinics, but had no real success. And sometimes no one has explained why. This is when you need a pain specialist. This is when Jooj Neuromuscular can help. You will start with a comprehensive pain study to really understand how you move, where your body compensates, when your injury started, and map the pain patterns. After that, we may start your neuromuscular program right away using precise therapies, myofascial release, and targeted evidence-based techniques. We address the root causes of your pain. This approach is grounded in the highest standards, structured, precise, focused on your recovery goals. We help people who are asking, why does this keep coming back? Or why hasn't this worked? If you are having chronic pain, experience Jooj Neuromuscular. We don't just treat where it hurts, we treat why it hurts.